What you man disclosing omuntu agenda okuyambako mu campaigns? That's okay. That's okay. Wabanga wali okunyambako well and good. I even still welcome more sponsors because campaigns they're not cheap. You need to have campaign materials, posters, so you need all that. I still welcome more sponsors to come on board and help me throughout all this. Genda mubuze lwaki. Genda mubuze.
Twakola mundese muyoka. Namulindwa namukomeza okubozi.
Thank you so much for the job well done because he's doing an incredible job, and that's all I can say. I thank him. Yes. Yes, he is my friend, but no. I have a husband and a married woman, so that's it. No. Comment reserved. Yes.
So what are you connecting?
I am a married woman. I am married, and I have a husband, and I have children as well. So if I see my husband, very soon you will see him in these campaigns because aja kubeerawo and he has to be when he comes come see my husband if there is need for you to see him. What can I talking about? That's satire. Gomba mbabuzaako mbagala nnyo era mbagamba nti nze omwana wammwe Mary Flavia Namulindwa nzize okubaweereza mu office byompeereza nga sirina office ndimu leero nzize nsabe okuweereza nga ndi mu office y'omubaka wa Gomba East constituency ne mbasaba obuwagizi bwammwe ne mbasaba buli kimu all your support mujje tukwatire wamu oganda bagamba nti agali awamu ge galuma ennyama so bannaguma mujje tukwatire wamu tukulaakulanye Gomba yaffe.